Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Bipin Kumar. So today we are going to discuss about Linux file permission. Okay, so how we can give different type of file permission which we have read, write and execute to different type of user. Okay, so how we can and what are the terminology getting used for provide the access to any user uh, to a specific file. Okay, we are going to discuss in the real time as well. So when we are discussing about the any file, then we have to understand three terminology. Okay, so first we have user, group and owner, and the permission start with read, write and execute. The sequences: for read means 4, and write 2, and execute is 1. So if you are seeing this for any user which having like starting for 7, then 7 means it's giving the full permission to user. Okay, and like if you are if you are able to see like 1, then it's going to give execute permission to others. Okay, and if you are able to see 2, then it's going to give permission, write permission to group. Okay, so let me show you how we can change the permission and how we can revoke the permission. Okay, so let me make one file here. Touch file .txt. Okay, so let me do ls-l. I want to see the, so here we can see, right, read, write. So this one for user. Okay, and we have read, write for as well group, and for others we have only read. Okay, we can see by default this permission will be applied whatever file we are creating. So how we can change it? Okay, so let's see. So if we want to change permission for others, then chmod plus w. Okay, so let's try this, and the file name chmod, like change mode. Okay, file name we have file.txt. So let's do ls-l to see the permissions. Okay, so here you can see this before, like here you can see the others group don't have write permission, right? Now others also have write permission. So using cho plus w and the file name chmod o plus w file name, so we just added the like write permission to that specific file to others. Okay, so let me revoke this permission chmod o minus w file dot txt. So let's do ls-l. So now we can see the write permission successfully we have revoked from this file. Okay, for others. Okay, and so suppose if we want to give full permission to this file to all the user. Okay, then we have to use chmod 777 file dot txt. Let's do ls-l. So here we can see for user read write execute, for uh, for group as well read write execute, for others read write execute. It's showing right here. We can see we have successfully changed the permission. So now let's try changing permission with other. Let's change the permission. Okay. uh, and here we are going to change, like we are going to give uh, only, like we want to give only user to all the permission, and apart from user we want to give only nothing. Okay, so in that case what we have to use, like we have to write 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 4 plus 2 plus 1 means 7. Okay, just you have to add it, and after 7 we don't want to give any permission to group and others. Okay, so we have to use 700 file dot txt. So let's do ls hyphen l. So now we can see read write execute, right, for this file.txt. You can see right. So only we have read write execute permission for user, and suppose if you want to give read write execute permission to group only, you don't want to give the, like any other permission to user or others. Okay, so what will be the number we have to use in that case. Okay, so for, so here will be ch mode. Okay, 070 file dot txt. Let's do ls hyphen l. So here we can see only group having permission of read write and execute. Okay, so we have successfully changed the permission to group. Okay, and suppose if we want to give read write execute permission to others only, and users and group we don't want, so in that case we have to use ch mode and 007. Okay, file dot txt. So let's do ls hyphen l. So we can see here, like read write execute permission for file.txt to others, and we don't have any permission for user and group. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understand the concept here, how we can give the permission and how we can change the permission to a specific user of any file. Okay, and how we can provide the, like access, and how we can change the permissions. So here is the cheat sheet we have, you can note down. Okay, so 4 2 and 1, 4 2 1, you have to remember this: read write execute, user, group and others. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new, and you can also check my playlist that I have created to learn AWS from scratch. Okay, and I have also created a specific playlist for setting up Prometheus and Grafana on EC2 server. Okay, to monitor other target EC2 instance. You can also check my playlist. So thanks. If you have any query, then please do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.